Welcome to my class on Vedic maths. In today's class on Vedic multiplication, we are doing multiplication by base method. This is part 3a. As you can see, the first question is 99 times 105. Both the numbers are close to base 100, but one is less than the base and other is greater than the base. So this is a different case when we have one number less than the base and the other number greater than the base. How do we perform multiplication quickly and fast? Let us try to understand the steps. As told earlier, we always perform number minus base. So number is 99 and minus base gives you minus 1. Right over here minus 1. And number minus base in second case 105 minus 100 gives you plus 5 as written over here. Now you multiply the numbers plus 5 and minus 1 and you get minus 5, and we either cross subtract or cross add, you will get the same result. So 105 minus 1 is 104 and 99 plus 5 is also 104. So whatever is convenient you can perform and write the number in the left hand side. Now the next step, very carefully try to understand that. We have 104 in the left hand side of the slash, multiply it by base, so we get 10400, and since it is minus 5, so subtract minus 5 and you get the answer. I hope it is clear so far. So going by the same way, let us take a look at question 2, 97 times 103. So 97 less than the base, therefore minus 3, and 103 less than greater than base 100, so I have written plus 3, and then multiply these two numbers, you get minus 9, and left hand side you are getting 100, because 103 minus 3 is 100, or 97 plus 3 is 100. You can perform any of these two. So this left side number 100, multiply it by the base, that is 100. So you get 10,000, and 10,000 minus the right hand part, which gives you minus 9. So your final result is 9,991. I hope the steps are clear so far. Now let us take a look at another example, 94 times 97. Again the same situation. One is less than base and the other number is greater than base. And the numbers are close to 100, so we have taken the base as 100. So number minus base in first case gives us minus 6, and number minus base in second case gives us plus 7. We will multiply the two numbers in the right hand side and we get minus 42, and cross subtracting 107 minus 6 gives us minus 1. Now as explained earlier, 101 times the base, that is 10100, and minus the right hand side 42 gives us 10058. Another way you can approach the same thing is this: subtract 1 from the left hand side, so 101 minus 1 gives you 100, and this 1 becomes 100 when it goes to right hand side because of the base is 100. So 1 times the base is 100, and 100 minus 42 gives you 58. So you can approach any of the way which you find easier. This is the second method I have explained. So you can do this question again in the same way. 98 minus 2, because it is number minus base gives you minus 2, and 103 minus 100, number minus base gives you plus 3. So right hand is minus 6, and 103 minus 2, cross subtracting we get 101, and here we get minus 6. So 101 minus 1 is 100, and 1 becomes 100, and 100 minus 6 gives you minus 94. So finally your result is 10094. You have followed this method here in solving. You could have used this way also to solve the same question. Whichever method you find easy, you can proceed with. Now let us take a look at another example, question 5, where we have taken base as 1000. So one number is 997, another is 1004. One is less than the base, other is greater than the base. Again perform number minus base, that gives you minus 3 in the first case and plus 4 in the second case, number minus base. Again 1004 minus 3 or 997 plus 4 gives you 1001 in the left hand side, and right hand side you always multiply as you have been doing in the previous cases. So similarly we will multiply, and here we get minus 12. Again the same process, but this time number times base gives you 1001 000, because you have to multiply this time by base 1000, so 000. And now subtract this 12 right hand part, so you get this as your answer, 100,988. That is your answer. The second method also you can perform, that is 1001. Here we got 1001 and 12, so I have written over here, and you can proceed with the second method that I explained in the previous example. 1001 minus 1, that gives you 1000, and here 1 becomes 1000. 1 times base, so 1 times base is 1000 minus 12, so this part becomes 988. So finally you combine the two and you get the answer same as you got in the previous case. As explained earlier, whichever method you find easy, you can proceed with. Let us take a look at one more example where base is again 1000. Example number 6, 994 times 1005. So number minus base gives you minus 6, and number minus base in this case gives you plus 5. So multiply the right hand side, minus 30, and cross add 994 plus 5, 999, or cross subtract 1005 minus 6, you get the same result. Now next step is left hand side is to be multiplied by base, and base is 1000, so 999000, that is the product of the two numbers, minus 30, that gives you 998970, and finally that is your answer. Or you could have applied the second method I want to show you. You will get the same result, 999. This part I have taken over here, 999 and minus 30, so subtract 1. Second method is always subtract 1 from the left hand side, so that gives you 998, and the 1 when goes to right hand side becomes 1 times base, so 1000 minus 30 gives you 970. So finally 998 times 970, which is the same answer which you got by earlier method. So again I am repeating, you can follow any of the method which is easy. For me, the second method is more easier, so I always prefer this method, but I have to tell you, you can follow any of the method where you are comfortable with. I will show one of the result on the calculator also, just wait. So here I am going to show you the result that we have got on the calculator. So 994 times 1005. 994 times 1005. That gives you the answer 998,970. 998,970. 9,98,970. So this is how the application of Vedic maths gives the result very fast, as you must have observed so far. Now let us take a look at today's some practice questions. Here are a few practice questions which you can answer in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have really liked the video, please subscribe to my channel, share it, and do like it also. And finally, I want to say that if you want to get in touch with me, here is my Facebook page as well as website scientutors.in. We conduct online classes for different other exams, test prep, Olympiad, math, science, all boards. So you can always get in touch with us. Thank you very much once again for watching this video. See you in the next video.